Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another edition of my video tutorials. So, today we will be talking about word problems. These word problems basically involve division. Since we are talking about division for the past weeks, so we will only focus on division. So I'm going to show you the examples shown in the books, your student book and workbook, and we'll try to work on those exercises. Are you ready? Okay. So let's go through first the examples in the student book. It's page 162, so I hope you're following me. Let's learn together. Let's start with example number 1. Let's read the word problem. Taya buys 12 apples from the market. She wants to place an equal number of apples into 4 bowls. How many apples are there in each bowl? So you will see that there are 12 apples here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And there are 4 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So Thea starts placing 1 apple in each bowl. So she put 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Then she puts 2 apples in each bowl. So another apple. Okay. Next, she puts 3 apples in each bowl. So another 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we can write the number sentence as 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And there are 3 apples in each bowl. Okay. Now let's go to the second example, page 163. Toby buys 21 chocolates from a shop. He wants to divide them equally among his friends. If each friend gets 3 chocolates, how many friends does Toby give the chocolates to? So let's use the counting blocks to represent the number of chocolates. So instead of chocolates, we're going to use this number blocks, okay? So here we're making an array of 3 to see the number of groups we can make out of 21. Okay, so let's start counting by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and stop. Okay? Now you have to circle groups of 3 blocks each. Okay? Then, so we can get the number of groups. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So it means that Toby gave the chocolates to 7 friends. And each of his friends got 3 chocolates. Okay? So now let's go to example number 3. Let's read the problem. There are 40 oranges. Share them equally among 5 children. How many oranges does each child get? Okay, so in this problem, we're going to use a model bar to represent the question. Okay, so we're going to use a model bar. So this model bar is divided into 5. These 5 parts represents the children. So there are 5 children. That's why it's divided into 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 means the number of oranges. Okay, so we're going to divide 40 by 5. So let's do it. So we're going to place oranges in each bar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, so now let's count the number of oranges in each part. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is represented by the number written in each part of the bar. Okay, so this one is 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. It means that each child got 8 oranges. Okay, as you can see in the number sentence, it's written as 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Now let's go to let's try it and let's answer the questions in each number. This is page 164. Let's start with number 1. Place the oranges equally on the plates. So here are the oranges and here are the plates. Okay, so there are how many oranges? You have to write it here. There are how many plates? Okay, and each plate has how many oranges? How many? You have to count this one. Each plate. Okay, and then you have to write your answer inside this box. Okay, and then you have to write the division sentence. Okay, so first you have to write here the number of oranges in this box divided by the number of plates here and your answer here. Okay, let's go to number 2. There are 36 learners who need a ride to school. Each car can take 4 learners. How many cars are needed to take all the learners to the school? Okay, so this car can only accommodate 4 learners or 4 students. So if there are 36 students, how many cars do we need to put all the students or the learners? Let's use dots to represent the number of learners. Circle groups of 4 dots. Okay, so we're going to count dots up to 36. So let's see if it is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, it's 36. And we're going to circle groups of 4. Okay, so let's circle groups of 4. Okay, so there are how many groups of 4 dots? So you have to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to write it here. It's not only 4, okay? I just stopped here, but you have to continue counting up to here. Then you have to write your answer here in this box. And then write the division sentence. So you have to write first 36 divided by, we group them into 4, so 4, and then how many groups you were able to make. So just write your answer here. Whatever your answer here is the same with your answer here, okay? And then also the same with this one. So cars are needed to take all the learners. How many cars are needed? So you have to write it here, okay? Now let's go to let's practice. I'm going to answer number 1 and then try to answer number 2 to number 4. Number 1. Han has 35 building blocks and he wants to make a stack of 5 blocks. How many such stacks of blocks can he make? So let's write here the division sentence. So Han has 35 building blocks and he wants to make stacks of 5 blocks. Okay, so it means we're going to divide 35 divided by 5. So here you can make an array or you can use your basic multiplication fact. What will you multiply to 5 to get 35? So you start counting by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you stop with 35 and that is 7. Okay, 7 times. So the answer is 7. So because 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So here, our answer is 7. Okay, so now let's go to number 2. A garage has 32 new tires. How many cars can the tires be fitted to? The tires can be fitted to how many cars? Okay, so you know that a car has how many tires? 4. As you can see in this picture, okay, so here in front we have 2 and on the other side we have 2. So there are 4 tires in each car, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 32 by 4. 32 divided by 4. Okay, and then write your answer here. Okay, so let's go now to number 3. Padma has 51 ice lolly sticks. She wonders how many triangles can be made with the sticks. And how many triangles could Padma make? So, using sticks, okay, Padma wants to make triangles. So, let's draw a triangle here. How does a triangle looks like? So, and how many sticks do you need to make one triangle? So, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So, it means we're going to divide 51 by 3. 51 divided by 3 so that Padma will know how many triangles she can make out of 51 sticks. Okay, now let's continue with number 4. Toby has made 168 sandwiches for his school fair and wants to display them so there are 3 on each plate. How many plates will Toby need to use? So we're going to divide 168 by 3. By 3. So that Toby will know how many plates he will need to use. Now let's work on the practice exercises in the workbook. So we will do page 146, 147, 148, and 149. Let's start with number 1. Taya buys 12 tomatoes from the supermarket. Okay, she placed the tomatoes equally into 2 bags. So we're going to draw tomatoes in each bag. So from here, cancel 1 tomato and draw it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to write here the answer. How many tomatoes are in each bag? So how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's write here 6. Okay, now let's go to question letter B. It's still connected with number 1. Okay, Taya decides to draw the tomatoes or to divide the tomatoes into 3 bags instead. Draw the tomatoes in the bag. So again, we're using the same tomatoes, 12 tomatoes, and we're going to put it here. So what you're going to do is you just have to put the tomatoes 1 by 1 and stop at the 12. Stop at 12, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many tomatoes are in each bag now? So you have to put here the number of tomatoes. Let's go to letter C. She also buys 18 limes. She puts them equally into 3 bags. How many limes are in each bag? So we have to make 3 bags here, like the bags that we have in letter B. So you can make here a square or a rectangle to represent the bags. And then you have to put 18 limes. Okay, so you have to count up to 18 and count how many limes are in each bag, and then you have to write your answer here. Okay, let's continue. Number 2. Padma, Samir, Jade, and Han went shopping. Each person put an equal share of money to buy a tennis racket. Group the dollar notes to work out each person's share. Okay? So let's count the number of money, the amount of money that each of the student give. Okay, so let's count first the total. So we have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are they? So we have Padma, okay, 1. We have Samir, Jade, and Han. So they are 4. So 12 divided by 4, so that we will be able to know how much each of them share to buy this sports equipment. Okay, so 12 divided by 4. So we are going to make here 4 groups. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each of them shared how much? $3. So we can write here 3, and symbol for dollar is this. Okay, let's continue with letter B. Each person also put in an equal share of money to buy a skateboard. Okay, group the dollar notes below to work out each person's share. So let's count first the number, how much is the total amount. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so it's 36. Again, how many are they? They are 4. Okay, so you have to write here your answer, and you have to make the groups. Okay, so I will show you how to group it. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So how many dollars are in each group, or how much does each of them shared to buy the skateboard? Okay, and then write also your answer here. Okay, so for letter C, you don't need to answer this. Just leave it blank. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have learned something from our lesson, and see you all next week. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.